Here we have f of x equals 5 sine x divided by 1 plus cosine x. And so we find f prime of x, which is the derivative of f of x. And this equals, to differentiate the right side expression, we use the quotient rule of differentiation. So first we put the denominator expression when we use the quotient rule, that is 1 plus cosine x times the derivative of the numerator expression, that is we should find the derivative of 5 sine x. We then put minus, and then now put the numerator expression, that is 5 sine x, and this should be multiplied with the derivative of the denominator expression, that is 1 plus cosine x. We find this derivative, and this is over the denominator quantity square, that is 1 plus cosine x quantity square. So let's find the derivative, and this equals, we have 1 plus cosine x times the derivative of 5 sine x is 5 times the derivative of sine x, which is cosine x, minus, we write 5 sine x times the derivative of 1 plus cosine x equals, the derivative of 1 is 0, and the derivative of cosine x is negative sine x. And this is over 1 plus cosine x quantity square. The next step, we simplify by distributing this 5 cosine x into the terms inside the brackets. So 5 cosine x times 1 is 5 cosine x. Then 5 cosine x times cosine x is 5 times cosine x times cosine x is cosine squared x. We then have minus, or this is in fact a plus, because product of two negatives is plus. So I write plus 5 sine x times sine x is 5 sine squared x. So this is 5 sine squared x, and this is over 1 plus cosine x quantity square. Now we can simplify the numerator expression. So we write this as 5 cosine x. Observe that we can factor 5 from these two terms. So when we factor 5 from both terms, we can write this as cosine squared x plus sine squared x, and this is over 1 plus cosine x quantity square. Now we use the Pythagorean identity, that is sine squared x plus cosine squared x equals 1. So here we have sine squared x plus cosine squared x. So therefore we can replace that by 1. And so it becomes 5 cosine x plus this one is 1. 5 times of 1 is 5. So the second term is plus 5. And this is over 1 plus cosine x quantity square. Now we can simplify this further by factoring out 5 from both terms. So when you factor 5 from both terms, I write this term first. So I write this as 1 plus cosine x, and this is over 1 plus cosine x quantity square. In the next step, we reduce this to simple expression. That is, we have 1 plus cosine x in the numerator, and here we have a square of 1 plus cosine x. So we can reduce this to power 1, and so therefore this can be written as 5 divided by 1 plus cosine x. And so this is the derivative of the given expression, that is f prime of x. We now find f prime of 2 by plugging in x equal to 2 into the f prime of x. That is, we plug in x equal to 2 into the f prime of x expression. So we get f prime of 2, and this equals 5 divided by 1 plus cosine 2. So let's put this expression in the calculator, And when we do that, we approximately get 8.56. This is approximated to two decimal places. And remember to put the calculator in radian mode when calculating cosine 2.